What's going on, everybody? Got a Samsung washer here for you guys today. This is a newer model. Customer gave me a call basically indicating that her belt came off, and anytime she starts an operation, the motor is just ticking at her. So first thing I did, of course, was tilt the unit back, and this is what I come to find out. Now, this is very simple. Just make sure anytime, people get new washers, new dryers, anything new, take off all the good stuff, that foam, the plastic, anything that there is, just take it off, because this is perfect evidence of something that can get wrapped around the belts and get meshed up and cause motor failure. But we got it all set good and back for the customer, so overall, unit functions as it should.